Hey, what's up guys? Good morning to all the YouTubers there. This is Newbie on the Block, having another what to series or how to series. So what's that how to or what to series? This is how are you going to make your font smaller or bigger in your Android phone. So without further ado, let's see the video. Okay folks, we are now here in the screen of my Android phone. So try to look for the settings. There you go, we click in settings and let's try to find accessibility. Okay, there you go, let's click on that. From there, once in your accessibility screen, click vision, right? And let's look for screen zoom and font. Click on that. Okay, as you can see here in the bottom, you can see screen zoom and font size. So I'll just introduce also to you how to make the screen zoom. Okay, so I'll try to move the slider button. All right, so okay, see that once I move the slider button, the icons gets bigger. So let's try to move the font size slider. There you go. As you can see, the font gets bigger as well. So once you push it back, yeah, definitely it will become smaller. Same thing with the screen zoom. Okay, so it's just like that. So yeah, just put that screen zoom in the middle, and then let's try to make the font size a huge one. Let's have it applied. Okay, so you can see the screen, all the fonts are getting bigger. So let's try to look at the messaging if it changes something. So oh, see, it's really very big. Okay, let's try this one. So there. Okay, so that makes your font bigger. Okay, so you don't have to have your eyes strained in reading smaller fonts. So that's it. Thank you very much. If you don't have subscribed to my channel, please hit subscribe, click the bell so that you will be notified for the new videos that I'll be uploading.